Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Whiteboard Online. Today we will discuss the organizational behaviors. What is organizational behavior? It is a subset of a management activities that is concerned with understanding, predicting, and influencing individual behavior in organizational settings. Basically, we study the behavior of the individuals involved in an organization. Next is the nature of organizational behavior. First is a field of study and not a discipline. By this we mean that it can be treated as a distinct field of study and not a discipline. Means it is not a particular discipline, but it is a wider field of study. You can't consider it as a particular discipline, right? Now the interdisciplinary approach. It is an interdisciplinary approach. An interdisciplinary approach integrates the relevant knowledge drawn from different disciplines for some specific purpose. So we draw the different, we take the different relevant knowledge from the different, you can say the disciplines. For example, we draw relevant knowledge from psychology, sociology, anthropology, also from the economics, political science, law, and history. So you can say that it is an interdisciplinary approach. Next is it is an applied science. So basic objective of organizational behavior is to make application of various researches to solve the organizational problems, basically related to the human behavior aspect. So unlike that, the in pure science, which concentrates on fundamental researches, but organizational behavior concentrate on applied researches. Okay. Next is normative and value centered. So organizational behavior is a normative science. So what is normative science? A normative science, unlike the positive science, which suggests only cause and effect relationships, in this it prescribes how the various findings of the different researches can be applied to get organizational results which are acceptable to the society. So what is acceptable by the society or individuals who are engaged in an organization is a matter of values to the people concerned, right? So this aspect cannot be explained by positive science, because in positive science it only explains the cause and effect relationship. Got it? Now next is humanistic and optimistic. Organizational behavior focuses the attention on people from humanistic point of view, right? It is based on belief that needs and motivation of people are of high concern. There is an acceptance of the value of individual as a thinking, or you can say the feeling organism, and without these considerations the organization may not be fully operational as a social entity. Now what is optimism? There is optimism about the innate potential of a man to be independent, creative, productive, or you can say he or she is capable of contributing positively to the objective of the organization, right? So the man will be actualize these potentials if given to him proper conditions and environment. Next, nature is oriented toward organizational objective, right? So organizational behavior, being an applied science and emphasizing human aspect of the organization, it is oriented toward organizational objective, right? So though an organization may have several objectives and sometimes conflicting with individual objectives, it should not be understood that that organizational behavior only emphasizes the achievement of individual objectives, right, at the cost of organizational objective. In fact, it tries to integrate both types of objectives so that these are achieved simultaneously. Last one is a total system approach. Organizational behavior is a total system approach where the living system of an organization is viewed as an enlargement of a man. You can say that the system approach is an integrative approach which takes into account all the variables affecting organizational functioning, right? So the system thinking in organizational analysis has been developed by behavioral scientists. Now the behavioral science, while analyzing the organizational behavior, does not take human being in isolation but as the product of social psychological factors, right? In conclusion, you can say that man's nature is quite complex, and organizational behavior, by applying system approach, tries to find the solution of this complexity, right? So in this video we have discussed that what is organizational behavior and its nature. In further videos ahead, we will discuss later on what is the role of organizational behavior, right? Controlling and directing behavior, understanding the human behavior, and so on. So if you like this video, let me know in the comment section. Also, if you want more such videos, comment down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you.